name is Ashika Yasmin Onkur. As I said, I would like to repeat myself. My name is Ashika Yasmin Onkur and I'm currently 22 years old, and during this 22 years of my life I have learned a lot and I have visited several places. So let me start from the very beginning. I was born in 2001, the 3rd of Feb in Bangladesh, and within a span of 5 months I went to Russia, and that is due to my father because he works in Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So due to his posting I went to Russia and stayed there for around 6 years, and from there I went to Philippines and stayed there for 3.5 years, and I studied there still grade 3 to 5, something like that, and I studied in an American curriculum school. So the environment over there was very different, and I feel the people over there is very cordial. And from there I actually went to Saudi Arabia. That was a totally different expenditures from my side, and also a different experience because it was an Arab nation, and we all know Middle Easterns are very impressive and they have qualities that people around the world do not have. So I learned a lot from them, but unfortunately I stayed there for a year, and from there I went to Thailand, and that is where I spent most of my life, and I spent like around 10 years. I have finished my middle school, high school, and from there I went to university in the Assumption University of Thailand, and I completed my Bachelor's of Science in Computer Engineering. And after that I also worked with the IYF and ISAC. ISAC is actually a non-profit organization that works for the SDG goals, and I feel that I'm very lucky to be a part of this kind of international voluntary programs. And I also gave my IELTS exam during my study period in Thailand, right? So I realized that I have a strength in communicating in English and to be able to educate people. So that's when I have chosen this track, that I feel this is what I want to do. And besides from my IT knowledge, I feel like I've always prioritized the IELTS sector. So that is why I have been teaching students from my university life, and and the next 1 year I'm in Bangladesh right now, and I am an IELTS instructor and I'm looking for new opportunities. And I would say, if I talk about my hobbies, and as an adult, hobbies are actually always fluctuating. I would say that I like to do different things at different time, and I do not have a specific set of hobbies. So it really depends on my mood and what I like to do in a specific day. So yeah, I'm trying to enjoy the new adult life, and I hope to see what the world brings to me. Thank you.